please don't skip the video, because this video may change your life. This video may change the way of thinking. So please don't skip the video and give me your 3 minutes, only 3 minutes. This video will change how you think. So guys, hello everyone, you know that I'm Meera and I'm from Hajairabad, Jharkhand. So guys, I am in the journey of learning English and improving myself in English. And you also know that I'm alone, and I am alone who is trying to improve my English and who is working for it in my house. And no one knows English who can support me, who will help me to improve it. So guys, this is not only my problem. I think this is the problem of many students, many audience who is watching my video. So please don't skip the video and watch how I am working for it. So that you know English, you understand English, you can write English, but when it comes to speak, you just stuck and you feel hesitate, you feel shy while speaking. But trust me guys, this is not only your problem, this was my problem too. But now I am speaking in front of you and you can just see that how I am speaking. I know sometimes I make mistakes, but I think who makes mistakes, he or she can learn more than who thinks that I will make mistake, then I will not speak. So don't try to become fluent first. So just try to speak. So I will tell you a short story of myself that when I was almost in 9th or 10th, I used to feel so shy because I don't know how to speak English perfectly, how I should speak and how should I pronunciate the words. That time I was just thinking about many things, that whenever I will be so fluent and whenever I will be perfect in English, that time I will speak. So that time I used to feel so shy and so hesitate. But trust me guys, if I used to follow that type of thinking in my mind, then now I can't speak English in front of you. So I will always tell you that who is trying to be perfect before speaking anything in English, he or she can't speak English. So I will always tell you that don't focus on being perfect. You just try to speak whatever you know in English. You just try to utter the words. After that, slowly you will become so fluent in English and you can achieve fluency so fast. So just try to speak. And the main thing that I became successful in speaking English, that may not be, this is confirmed, that is continuously, that is practice, and not only practice but consistency. If you will maintain consistency, then you can achieve your goals so soon. And definitely if you are late in achieving your dream, but if you are just continuous to your work, then 110% sure that you will be so successful and you can achieve your dream so fast, and one day you will be successful. So be consistent to your work. I will always tell you to be consistent while learning anything, while doing anything. So I have taken your 3 minutes and thank you for giving me your 3 minutes. And I will always tell you guys, please share my videos with your friends and relatives and who wants to learn English. Please suggest me that on which topics you really want the videos. And one more thing, that whenever I see that my video is not getting more views or audience are not liking my videos, that time sometimes I just feel low confident, or you can just say I feel demotivated. But somehow I collect all the motivations again and I just try to work for myself again. Keep supporting me and keep watching my videos. So please also tell me that from where you are watching my videos, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.